Welcome back, everyone. We're checking out the AI Agent Store again today and looking at one that's really caught our eye.
Oh, you mean famous.ai?
Exactly. Famous.ai
Okay.
makes this, well, pretty bold promise, right?
Oh.
Turn your ideas, just plain English prompts, into actual working apps.
Web and mobile apps, importantly.
Right, web and mobile.
Yeah.
And the big kicker, no coding needed at all.
Which is huge.
So that's what we want to unpack today. How does it actually work? And, what makes it potentially such a big deal for building things fast?
Okay, let's get into it.
So yeah, let's break that down. It's a no-code app builder, fundamentally. But what's the real hook for someone, say, with a great app idea but zero technical skills? What problem is it solving there?
Well, that's precisely who it seems designed for. I mean, the sources really highlight entrepreneurs, non-technical founders, product designers.
People with ideas, not necessarily code.
Exactly, and even folks just building side projects. The core value is creating those initial functional prototypes or, minimum viable products, MVPs.
MVP.
Right. And you do it just by describing what you want using natural language prompts and, like you said, web and mobile covered.
Okay, but here's where it gets really interesting, at least from what I've seen. People are reporting launching simple apps, sometimes dozens of them, incredibly fast, like in hours.
Yeah, the speed is a major point.
And the cost, this is kind of amazing.
Yep.
Some are saying they built an MVP for around, what, 13 US dollars? 13?
That figure, the $13 MVP cost, definitely stands out. It's, it's almost nothing compared to traditional development.
Yeah, it's practically free.
Yeah.
But, okay, for that price and speed,
Hmm.
what kind of apps are we talking about? Is this for any idea, or are there limits?
Right, and that leads to a really important question about how it does this. How is it so efficient? It comes down to its autonomy level.
Autonomy level.
Yeah, the sources state it operates at about 47% autonomy. Now, that number might sound a bit arbitrary, but what it tells us is crucial.
Okay, what does it mean practically?
It means it's capable, very capable, of generating the basic structure, the foundational bits, but it absolutely needs your input, your guidance.
So it's not magic.
Definitely not. Think of it more like a collaborator, a very fast assistant, maybe. It needs you to prompt it, refine things, iterate. Their Spark plan, for instance, gives you 100 prompts a month.
Okay.
That highlights the back and forth. It's an iterative workflow. You give it ideas, it builds something, you refine with more probes.
Got it. So what does this all mean for you, the listener?
Well, it seems ideal if you want to quickly knock out a prototype and MVP just using plain language.
Right, testing ideas fast.
And you can build actual web or mobile apps without writing code. Plus, it sounds like you don't need deep back-end expertise to get started.
Yeah, it can apparently work with tools like Supabase for back-end stuff, databases, authentication, that kind of thing. Or you can just start with mock data.
Which simplifies things massively. And again, that super low cost, it really changes the accessibility, doesn't it? Absolutely. If we connect this to the bigger picture, famous.ai is really helping democratize app development. That's the key takeaway, I think.
Making it available to more people.
Exactly.
Yeah.
People without coding skills can now build functional apps, and not just prototypes. You can actually publish these to the app stores.
Wow, okay.
So it's categorized, as a productivity agent. And it clearly has impact across software development, obviously, but also general productivity, even education. It broadens who gets to be a creator.
That really is democratizing it, taking something complex and, well, making it reachable. But I wonder, does no code sometimes mean no control? Are there, limits later on? Customization, scaling.
Yeah, that's a fair question. And like any tool, it has its strengths. It seems fantastic for that rapid prototyping phase, getting an idea out there fast.
The MVP stage.
Precisely. For really complex, highly customized apps needing, say, unique integrations or massive scale right away, traditional coding might still be the better route. Famous.ai seems to excel at getting something functional and testable out quickly.
So you can validate the concept first.
Exactly. Validate before you invest huge resources. The no-code part makes it incredibly agile for that early iteration and finding your market.
So just think for a moment. What ideas could you actually bring to life with something like this? Even if coding has always seemed like, well, a barrier. What's that app idea you've had tucked away?
And if you want to learn more about famous.ai or check out other tools, the place to go is aiagentstore.ai.
You can find all the details there. Thank you so much for tuning in and exploring this with us today.
Yeah, thanks, everyone.
And hey, if you found this useful, we'd really appreciate it if you could rate the show. It helps others find it. Thanks again.